Fashion happened when people started living in communities. Every day they were facing a lot of problems. So when they started solving their problems, that is where design happened. Needle happened out of a rock, and that is where they understood that if anything which is pierced and which is sharp and sleek can stitch a garment, and that is where they started making garments and stitching garments. AFT also took that path and introduced themselves to this field of design, and now we have a school which is called a School of Fashion Design. Our board of directors consists of a lot of eminent personality from film and fashion fraternity. Our board of advisors are the people who give us continuous feedback on our curriculum. JJ Valaya, Rohit Gandhi, Rahul Khanna, Varija Bajaj are few people who have been associated with us for a very long period of time.
At School of Fashion and Design, one gets high quality education combined with aesthetically and intelligently designed infrastructure. Our fashion labs are equipped with ultra-modern sewing machines, interlock machines, steam irons and comfortable enough pattern making tables for all students to work on. Our textile design students, they get to lay their hands on hand looms and tapestry looms, and they get to learn the techniques from the industry professionals themselves.
Today's world, city dwellers, they're increasing day by day, and there is a clear need of space utilization and a good space planning. And we prepare our students to take any challenges, in an upcoming market. Subjects such as Vastu, green building and building services cover in-depth knowledge required to be a successful interior designer.
In School of Fashion and Design, we believe in practical learning. So during the course of semester, we have multiple projects. Working in small creative groups, students need to submit a fashion story layout from a magazine of their choice.
They can make their career as a designer, merchandiser or fashion stylist. We take them for the industrial visit to the manufacturing units or export houses to get the experience so that they can choose their line accordingly.
Global Fashion and Design Week is a 3 days massive event. The passing out students showcase their products in the event. This year we have 700 plus garments to be exhibited by fashion designing students, 63 plus furniture pieces through interior designing students, approx 200 photographs to be exhibited by fashion communication students and 60 plus pieces by jewelry design students.
Our primary focus is on giving our students an industry exposure right from the very beginning. But at the same time, we do encourage our students to be original and innovative in their approach. They also get review from the industry professionals.
I would like to quote Issey Miyake's famous words that design is not for philosophy, it is for life, and the reflection of the same can be felt at AFT School of Fashion and Design.
We believe in crafting designers who can rule the fashion industry.